Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you a revision in science for 5th standard, and already we have completed this portion, children. So now I'm going to give you the revision for annual exam. From this only you'll get for your annual exam. Okay, children? And those who have the book can take page number 93, that is second lesson, and third lesson, page number 105. These two pages you can take, children. That is from these two lessons only you have for your annual exam. So revision will be written on the board. Take your classwork and start writing now itself. Okay, whatever you're writing, from that only you'll get for your annual exam. Do you understand, children? Now take your classwork and start writing. First we'll go to the Roman number 1. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Okay. So have you all taken your book, children? Yes. First one. Fission is a way of dash reproduction. That is, 4 options are there: A, sexual; B, asexual; C, viviparous; and D, viviparous. That is B, asexual. Asexual is the answer. What is that? B. Okay. Asexual reproduction. What is the answer? B. Okay. I think you have marked in your book already. Then dash is an oviparous animal. Answer is D. Duck. Okay. Duck is an oviparous animal. So what is the answer? D. Duck. Then third. Endangered animals are protected in what is the answer? Yes, D, sanctuary. What option? D. Okay, D, sanctuary. You have to write in the dash. Then fourth one, Mundandurai sanctuary is located in C, Tirunelveli district. Tirunelveli district. What is the answer? Tirunelveli. That is, answer is C. Okay. The vision of Blue Cross is C, saving animals. What is the option? C, saving animals. The next lesson we can see in that also you have choose. That is sixth one. Chlorofluorocarbon. How will you pronounce? Chlorofluorocarbon is used in. Answer is both. That is C. C, both. Okay. Then 7. A windmill is used to produce. What is the answer? C. What is the C answer? Electric energy. Okay. This is the answer for 7. 8. Influenza is caused by C, virus. Okay, what is the answer? C, virus. Influenza is caused by C, virus. Okay, that is 8 is enough for you. So 8, choose the correct answer. Next is Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, animals which, from the second lesson, fill in the blank, children, okay, which give birth to young ones directly are named as what, children? Yes, viviparous. 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 Then second, 132 species. 132 species of animals leads to endangered condition. How many, children? 132 species. Next, Gir National Park. Gir National Park is famous for. Gir National Park is famous for Asiatic lions. How will you pronounce? Asiatic lions. ASIATIC. Asiatic lions. LIONS. Asiatic lions. Blue Cross is an animal welfare organization. What is the answer? Animal welfare organization. ANIMAN. Animal. Then Nilgiri Tar. So how will you pronounce? Nilgiri Tar. Nilgiri Tar is an endangered species. Okay, children. From this lesson 5. Next, we'll go to the page number 106. That is from the third lesson. We'll continue. We have finished this, children. All have finished this. Choose the correct answer. Write it properly and neatly without making any spelling mistakes, children. Only then it will be easy for you to learn for your annual exam, okay? Start writing now itself. So 5. Next we'll go to the 6th. Second highest layer of Earth's atmosphere. Second highest layer of Earth's atmosphere is, what will be the answer? Yes, thermosphere. 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 Airborne diseases can be caused by microorganisms. Okay, children, microorganisms. Then next, Nitrogen is used by nitrogen, Nitrogen. Nitrogen is used by plants. Is used by plants as nitrates. Okay, children. So this is Roman number 2. Next, we'll go to the match the following. Again, take the second lesson. Match the following. Zygote. Answer is fertilized egg. Fertilized egg. Second, viviparous. Viviparous cat. Then endangered animal. Endangered animal. What will be the answer? Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. This is one word, children. Okay, endangered animal. So answer is rhinoceros. Then Mudumalai. Mudumalai. What will be the answer? Yes, elephant. So Mudumalai is famous for elephant. Fifth, fragmentation. Fragmentation. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is the answer. Okay. The next lesson you can take, that is third lesson. In that also you have match. Troposphere. What is the answer for troposphere? What you have marked? Yes, weather change. Take down everything in your notebook, children. Then 7, stratosphere. Ozone layer. Then thermosphere. What is the answer for thermosphere? Satellite. Whatever I am giving, that is enough to write, children. Okay. Then 9th, mesosphere. Meteors. Okay, children. So this objectives, that is choose, fill up and match you have. Then next we will go to the question answers. That is lesson from the lesson 2. Okay. So I think we have finished the students. Shall I rub the board? So write neatly. So next we are going to move to answer the following. So what's the next Roman number, children? Going to write Roman number 4 now. Answer the following. First question is, that is from the lesson 2. We are going to start now, children. Okay. What is fertilization? What is fertilization? Okay. So we have already written this in your classwork. So once again we are going to write in the revision. Okay. What is the first question? What is fertilization? The answer is in page number 83. When the male gamete male gamete reaches when the male gamete reaches the female gametes, they begin to fuse together. They begin to fuse together. The fusion of gametes. The fusion of gametes is known as fertilization. Is known as fertilization. So once again we'll read this question now. What is fertilization? What is the answer? When the male gamete reaches the female gametes, they begin to fuse together. The fusion of gametes is known as fertilization. So this was your first question. Next we'll go to the second. What is the second question now? What are the different types of different stages? What are the different stages of sexual reproduction? Different stages of sexual reproduction. Answer. Again same page number 83. The different stages of sexual reproduction are A. Pre-fertilization, B. Fertilization, and C. Post-fertilization. So once again we'll read this question now. What's the question? What are the different stages of sexual reproduction? The different stages of sexual reproduction are A. Pre-fertilization, B. Fertilization, C. Post-fertilization. Okay. Now next question is, so have you all taken down this in your notebook, children? Again and again I'm telling you all, write neatly without making mistakes. So what's the third question? Mention the different types of asexual reproduction. Answer. The different types of asexual reproduction are the different types of asexual reproduction or fission, then budding, fragmentation, and spores. Fragmentation and spores. So what is the third question? Mention the different types of asexual reproduction. The different types of asexual reproduction are fission, budding, fragmentation and spores. Then fourth question. Write a note on Blue Cross. Okay, this is in page number 92. So Blue Cross is a registered animal welfare charity where in the United Kingdom. Okay, then it was established when in 1897. It was established in 1897 with the vision that every pet will enjoy a healthy life in a happy home. Okay, children, once again we'll read this. Write a note on Blue Cross. Blue Cross is a registered animal welfare charity in the United Kingdom. It was established in 1897 with the vision that every pet will enjoy a healthy life in a happy home. Okay, children, so with this we are finishing this 4 question answers. In the next class we will continue with the other question answers, children. Thank you.